The theme of the day is addressing the challenge of non-revenue water in the 21st century by deploying innovations and technologies.
We are also expected to review your respective strategic plans to incorporate non-revenue water reduction in line with new emerging issues to enable implementation of the non-revenue water management appropriately.
Both national governments and county governments as they develop policies, to have a directorate of non-revenue water, so that we can focus on the losses that we are having as a country.
So from that time, we have been talking about non-revenue water, though we are calling it unaccounted for water. But a real challenge that requires total commitment at utilities level. It requires good governance